time for Mr. Fix-It, powered by your Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana Chevy dealers.
Our buddy Lou Manfredini's back. Good morning, Lou.
Well, good morning. How are you?
Good. What have you got for us?
Well, I was thinking, Robin, aren't we a little tired of all the division that's in the world these days?
Sure.
Yeah. I was thinking, what is something that could bring us all together? And I thought there's something that we all use that we all want to work properly, and that's our toilet.
Oh yeah.
Right? No matter what side of the aisle you're on.
Right.
That bad boy is working when you flush it.
Right.
Yeah.
So I have some tips on how to make sure that you're getting as powerful a flush as you deserve in your toilet. Now, the first thing is, under the rim, you have these little holes that is what activates the swirling action. 90% of the time, when your toilet doesn't flush properly, it's because those holes are clogged. And so if you take a metal coat hanger and you bend the end of it, like I'm doing right here, and you almost create like a little dental pick, and you're going to take that in each individual hole. You can wear gloves if you want. But this is going to increase the power of the swirling action.
Wow.
And it's going to flush really, really well. Now, secondly, it's inside the tank, right? The water level may be too low, and you can adjust that water level to get a little bit more in the tank. Now, this white tube that I'm pointing to is actually the overflow tube. And you can see that that water has a little more to go. And the fill valve right there that I'm articulating can be adjusted. On this particular one, there's this screw that you can either turn by hand or you can use a screwdriver to actually lower the float or actually raise the float so that more water gets into the tank, which means it flushes better. Now, if you have a leaking toilet and you notice that water's going into the bowl when it shouldn't, chances are you've got a bad flapper. This is that kind of spongy rubber device that hangs on the chain next to the handle, and there's a bunch of different ones you can buy. You got to make sure you buy the right one for your toilet. Even though you go to the hardware store or the home center, it may say universal, fits everything. Well, it kind of bums me out because that's really not true. It fits most, but some toilets have specific one. Now that's what happens. It gets kind of gunky, and over time, depending on where you live and the type of water you have, it can become misshapen, and then it doesn't seal. This is so easy to do. Remember, that water in there, Robin, is clean, so you don't have to worry. And now you pop that thing in, you take the chain, you reconnect it to the handle itself, and probably 100% of the time, you're going to stop that leaking toilet. And finally, if your toilet tank is dirty, this is something called Hurriclean. It's basically Alka-Seltzer for your toilet tank. You sprinkle that in the night before. Don't flush it. It needs to stay in there for 6 hours. It foams up. When you flush it in the morning, it's going to clean the inside of the tank without doing anything, which will then also make sure that you never have to scrape those holes under the rim again.
Wow. Lou, good news. I'm not going to do any of that, but I know I can find somewhere to reference it. Yeah.
We are bringing people together with a toilet.
As Paul likes to say, hope to the hopeless.
Yeah, bringing hope to the
Thank you, Lou.
And little Timmy, too.
Yeah, there's all the info about Lou. He's got his radio show on Saturday mornings, also Saturdays here on WGN 330. Thanks, Lou.
The
All right, time to get back.